Hey everyone, have you ever stared at a vision board filled with dream vacations and dream jobs? Only to be staring back at your computer screen a year later, wondering what went wrong. I've been there, picturing myself on a beach with a piña colada, only to be stuck in the daily grind. The law of attraction seems amazing, right? Think positive thoughts, attract good things, but sometimes it feels like the universe just isn't listening. Today, we're diving into why the LOA might not be working for you, and more importantly, what you can actually do about it. We'll bust some common myths, clear up misconceptions, and share practical tips to turn your desires into reality. Let's be honest, the "think it and it will happen" tagline of LOA can be alluring. But before we blame the universe for our stalled beach vacation, let's address some elephant in the room misconceptions. Firstly, LOA isn't a magic bullet or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about passively wishing your way to a mansion you haven't even budgeted for. Imagine the universe as a cosmic grocery store. You can put visualization and positive thoughts in your cart, but without the effort of actually checking out, means taking action. Those dreams stay on the shelf. Secondly, while negativity isn't ideal, it doesn't instantly cancel out everything good. We're human. Occasional doubts and anxieties are part of the package. The key is not to dwell in negativity, but to acknowledge it. Shift your focus back to your desires and keep moving forward. It's like steering a ship. Occasional course corrections are normal, but staying stuck in reverse won't get you to your destination. Thirdly, the universe doesn't owe you anything. It operates on principles, not favors. LOA isn't about demanding things. It's about aligning yourself with your desires through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Think of it as tuning into a specific radio frequency. The clearer your signal means alignments, the better you'll receive what you desire. Now let's talk about your role in all this. LOA isn't a passive spectator sport. It requires personal responsibility and effort. If you dream of opening a bakery, visualizing delicious cupcakes won't magically bake them. You need to learn the craft, put in the work, and maybe even take a course or two. Remember, the universe helps those who help themselves. But hold on, effort doesn't mean forcing things. It's about taking inspired action, steps that feel aligned with your desires and bring you closer to them. It's not about pushing against resistance, but flowing with the opportunities that arise as you move forward. Imagine the universe like a gentle current. Forcing against it will just tire you out, but aligning with its flow will propel you towards your goals. Finally, let's ditch the perfect manifestation myth. Life is rarely linear, and expecting things to unfold exactly as you envisioned can be a recipe for disappointment. Be open to different paths, unexpected opportunities, and maybe even better versions of your dreams. After all, sometimes the universe surprises you with even sweeter destinations than you originally planned. Okay, now we've debunked the myths and set the record straight on your role in this cosmic co-creation adventure. But hold up, the road to manifesting your dreams isn't always smooth sailing. Let's tackle some common obstacles that might be throwing you off course. Obstacle number 1. The gremlins in your head, limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. We all have them. Those pesky inner voices whispering, "You're not good enough," or "This will never work." These limiting beliefs can act like gremlins, sabotaging your LOA efforts before they even begin. Remember, your thoughts create your reality, so it's crucial to silence the gremlins. Here's how. Turn "I can't" into "I can learn." Challenge negative thoughts with evidence of your strengths and past achievements. Don't beat yourself up for occasional doubts. Be kind to yourself, just like you would a friend facing a challenge. Obstacle number 2. Lost in the fog, lack of clarity and specificity. Ever wished for more money or happiness, only to feel lost and stagnant? Vague desires are hard for the universe or your subconscious mind to interpret. Get specific. Imagine your dream job in detail. Write down the qualities of your ideal relationship, and create vision boards bursting with specific goals. Obstacle number 3. Emotional roller coaster, inconsistent emotions, and vibrational mismatch. The law of attraction responds to your vibrational frequency. If you spend your days grumbling and feeling anxious, that's the energy you'll attract. Practice gratitude, meditate, and surround yourself with positive influences to raise your vibration and align it with your desires. Obstacle number 4. Fear of failure and attachment to outcomes. Fear can be a powerful roadblock. But remember, failure is simply feedback, not the end. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Detach from specific outcomes and focus on the joy of the journey. Trust that the universe has something amazing in store, even if it arrives in a different package than you envisioned. Obstacle number 5. Practical action, aligning actions and detaching from outcomes. Low A isn't just about wishing and visualizing. Take inspired action that aligns with your desires. This doesn't mean forcing things, but rather taking small, consistent steps that move you closer to your goals. And while action is crucial, avoid getting attached to specific outcomes. Trust the process, let go of control, and be open to the amazing detours the universe might have planned. Remember, overcoming these obstacles requires consistent effort and self-awareness. But by acknowledging them, implementing these tips, and staying on your LOA journey, you'll find yourself attracting the life you truly desire, one aligned step at a time. So, silence the gremlins, get specific, raise your vibration, embrace the journey, and watch your dreams unfold in magical ways. Friends, while visualization and positive affirmations are powerful tools, they're just one piece of the LOA puzzle. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to passive wishes. It thrives on your active participation. That's where inspired action comes in, the bridge between dreaming and doing, visualization and manifestation. Think of it like planting a seed. You can envision the most beautiful flower in the world, but without watering, nurturing, and protecting it, that seed won't bloom. Inspired action is your water, your sunshine, your diligent care. It's the small, consistent steps you take every day that bring your desires closer to life. And what does inspired action look like? It's as diverse as the dreams themselves. For someone aspiring to write a novel, it might be attending a writing workshop or joining a critique group. For a budding entrepreneur, it could be researching business models, connecting with potential mentors, or launching a simple website. Remember, even small steps taken consistently hold immense power. The key is to identify actions that feel aligned with your desires. They should spark joy, excitement, and a sense of purpose. Don't force anything. Listen to your intuition and follow the breadcrumbs of excitement. It could be enrolling in a course to develop a desired skill, volunteering in a cause close to your heart, or simply striking up a conversation with someone in your dream field. Now hold on, action doesn't mean forcing the universe's hand. It's about finding the flow and trusting the journey. Don't get attached to specific outcomes and avoid pushing against resistance. Sometimes the most impactful opportunities arise unexpectedly, so stay open to detours and serendipitous connections. There you have it. Remember, the law of attraction isn't a magic wand, it's a co-creation journey. Embrace positive thoughts, take aligned action, and trust the incredible process of unfolding. If this video resonated with you, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and sharing it with your fellow dreamers. And if you want to dive deeper into LOA, hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. Remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams, one inspired step at a time. Now go out there, chase your vision, and create a life as magical as you are.